Hi everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back to another episode of My Mom's Recipe Box. I know we have been gone for a really long time, and the reason is this guy, the cameraman, had some very serious heart surgery about what?
6 weeks.
About 6 weeks ago.
And
he's back, and we're so happy to have him back.
Good to be back.
So he's going to be behind the camera in a minute. But we just wanted to show him off. Thank you everyone for your good thoughts, for your positive wishes, for your healing vibes. We really appreciate it. And today we are going to celebrate Mark's return with a very simple but very tasty dessert. So hang on, let's get going. Okay, so hey there, we promised you a fast, easy, delicious dessert, and we're going to deliver right now. So when we were out in California in December, we had dinner at a friend's house, and they served this passion fruit mousse that was out of this world. And of course I begged and begged and begged for the recipe. And I finally got it, and it's so simple. This thing has 3 ingredients in it, just 3. We're going to have some table cream, okay, some condensed milk, and can't have passion fruit mousse without some passion fruit. These are frozen passion fruit chunks. When we had the mousse in California, we had it with frozen passion fruit, let me get this, passion fruit puree. I was not able to find that here. So I'm hoping the chunks should be just as good. And I can already smell them. Oh my God, they smell so good. You guys, passion fruit, unbelievable. So let's get started on it right now. Okay guys, welcome back. So really, the only thing we need to do to fix this is put everything inside the Vitamix. So I'm gonna start with the condensed milk, and that's 1 can. And this is sweetened condensed milk. But this and the passion fruit, that's the only sweetness we're going to have in this. It's not a really, really sweet dessert. It's just very refreshing. Okay, get that in. Try and get everything I can out of this can. Okay, pretty good. And then 2 cans of table cream. Now, if you want to use a heavy cream out of the refrigerated section, go ahead. It'll work just as well. So it's 1 can. Here's 2 cans. Woo! Okay. Sometimes I think I can make just about any recipe messy. And then the next thing we're going to put in here is our passion fruit. Okay. Stuff smells incredible. Now, if you don't like passion fruit, then I don't understand you. But if you don't like passion fruit, you can use a different kind of fruit. You could use frozen strawberries. You could use other kinds of berries. You could use peaches, lemons, limes, oranges. You know, whatever you like, I think you could probably use it in here. Okay, now we're just going to whiz it. We're going to check it every couple of minutes just to make sure that the passion fruit has all been blended, okay? And this can be, you know, blended for a little while. You want to get some air into it. You want to make sure that your passion fruit is all mixed in. Look how smooth that is already. We're going to whiz it a little bit longer. But look at that. Okay, hold on. Let's get this on for another minute. blend it like this, the more air you're going to be able to get into it. Make it higher, fluffier, and lighter, okay? See what kind of volume we have right now. Yeah, it's getting bigger. See all those nice bubbles in there? Okay. A little bit more. There we go. So I've got some little serving bowls here. We're just going to pour this into our bowl. It's nice and thick. There we go. This is really the perfect thing for a brunch in the summertime, or after dinner, on a warm night outside on the porch. Or, you know, your favorite show gets canceled and you can sit in front of the TV crying with a bowl of passion fruit mousse and you'll feel better. Yeah, your show's canceled, but that's okay. There'll be other ones you can watch. Okay. There we go. Hi everybody,
Hi.
Welcome back. It's time for the favorite part of the recipe, which is always the taste test for us, definitely.
Always.
So take a look. This has been in the fridge, just firming up, and you can see how delicious it looks. A nice color, and you could definitely do all sorts of great things with this passion fruit mousse. So without further ado, babe. It's nice and airy and light.
Very light. It's really good.
It's so good. It's not super sweet. But I think if you wanted to put a little whipped cream on top, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. It's tart.
In a good way.
It's just so good. And on a warm day, it's really going to hit the spot, guys.
Absolutely. Shout out to our friend Nina.
Nina, thank you so much for the recipe.
In Imperial Beach, San Diego. Also, happy first anniversary to her and Mike, just celebrating. Love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Congratulations.
They live a block away from John and Allison. It's all in the family.
So if you guys are ever in San Diego, stop by and say hi.
Get some great Brazilian dishes.
Go in their house and tell them you want some passion fruit mousse.
Say we sent you.
And they'll whip it up for you. They're very nice people.
Lulu's in my lap. I'm trying to. You can see her tail. I'm trying to prevent her from diving headfirst into the mousse.
So anyway, that's our video, guys. I hope you give this passion fruit mousse a try because it's delicious. It's so easy. It just makes the perfect dessert, whether you're having a brunch with the gals or the guys. Guys can brunch. Or you're sitting out on your patio and it's been a warm day and now it's a nice cool evening. You can watch the sunset and eat passion fruit mousse. make all your neighbors jealous. Okay? So take care, everybody. We love you. We're so happy to be back. We hope that you're looking forward to seeing more recipes.
My mom's recipe box.
For My Mom's Recipe Box.
Subscribe. Share with friends, family.
Come and visit us on Facebook in the My Mom's Recipe Box Facebook group. Okay? We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I can't stop doing this, babe.